So today is the day we actually make a start at removing the engine on Monroe. Monroe is the E30. So as neither of us have actually removed an engine before, it should be quite fun. If you actually see this video, it means we've succeeded. If not, it means Jake's died underneath the engine, unfortunately. So, stay tuned, we're going to make a start.
Battery's dead.
How is it?
Probably because you left it plugged in with the boot open. You have to push it. Right back.
You're just going back to the same place.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No.
So I think we'll start by draining the fluids, and then Jake's going to remove all the crap around the engine and start unbolting it.
Get cracking then.
Yeah, you're going to get cracking. You know, here's the alarm, you know, still not connected.
Yeah. Still haven't done a demonstration.
Yeah, it's 2020, no demo.
What are you using that for?
Fill the oil up. You know, like the green thing?
Oh, yeah.
Oil container.
Yeah, I don't want an oil container, it stinks.
Easier to pour down the drain. Right, you need to pour it in.
Go on then. Yeah, you're a bit shaky with that, aren't you?
Oh, I've not had my drugs this morning.
What? What drugs?
That's fun.
Yeah, it only took probably about 3 minutes.
Next week, we install the lift, because we're not doing that yet.
Yeah, alright, so that probably took us about half an hour.
So that's my work done for today.
Right. Oil. Coolant.
Yeah, coolant.
Battery.
Yeah, I'll take the battery off.
Good idea.
Is it a 10?
No, well, one of it. One's a 14, one's a 10.
Yes, we're going to let this drain, and then Jake's turn to do the gearbox. So we've got the gearbox, the mount, the prop, and the exhaust.
Yeah, so we remove this first, so we get access to that. So we're going to have a coffee, and then you're going to remove the manifold.
You might as well screw out the manifold then.
Alright.
So I'm going to get the manifold out. Well, try anyway. If it actually comes out, I'm not too sure. We've let it soak for a bit. I'm going to use breaker bar. Don't need blue breaker bar, look at that.
Sponsored by WD-40. So he says specials on it, that's why we're using it.
Yeah, special, alright. Lost me bit. Well, I've done my bit.
Yeah, so how hard was that? Scale of 1 to 10. 1 spanner, no, scale of spanners.
I give that a 2 spanner based on the fact it's awkward.
And what's your 1 spanner? Because Haynes says the starter
My
motor.
1 spanner is going to the toilet. Yeah, it looks knackered. You done it?
Shut up.
You can smell it, can't you?
What?
The success I'm sweating.
Bull!
Oh.
Well, you'd have to remove it off the... Wait, stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, let go, let go, let go, let go. I can lift it over that now. Ah! Fucking hell, I thought I was stuck. Claustrophobic, move that.
Where am I looking at it?
Yeah, so using an angle grinder on the car, I'm not convinced is safe.
Of course it is. Just hold on to the handle. You don't want it to... you drop it.
Going all over the place. Alright. This is a man's job, this is. What we're saying there.
Yeah.
God, this is dangerous. Can't get it on, just wait. Jesus Christ! How far am I through?
Halfway.
Is that it?
Oh yeah.
God. I was hoping for it, you know, just be a quick cut through and it looked amazing, but
With a bigger blade it would have been.
what's that? Something fell off the angle grinder. We probably don't need it.
Would you get this off?
Yeah.
I'm stuck on the exhaust.
Cool, that.
That bushing's knackered then.
They're knackered.
Is it bolted? Yeah.
Look at them though. That's crazy, that is.
We'll go gentle.
Yeah, hold on.
You probably got it in reverse.
Go have a look. Right, get your spanner on. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Woohoo! Don't lose that.
So we've done what we need to do on the underside, so now we're going to dismantle the top side and then hopefully get it out before the day's done.
And it's 4 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock. We've got till 6. So if anything, this is probably the easier bit because it's just a matter of unbolting what's here and then lifting, whereas when you're on your back underneath, it's a bit of a ball ache. Now, if we had a lift, like I've been saying, it'd have been all done by now, probably been home. I'd have been asleep.
What are you doing? I could have got it in my mouth. You're an absolute douchebag, you are.
Yeah. Slow boat to China. Yeah, shit this is.
You clearly bought a dud one.
No, you bought it.
Takes 5 weeks to get here and then look.
Yeah, 5 weeks to lift it.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
So basically we're at the point where there's nothing left holding the engine in.
We don't think.
It's supported by these janky looking straps we found in the bin. So all being well, it should start to lift. However, we fully expect it not to go well.
Somebody will come, oh, you don't do it like that.
Yeah, we're not quite bothered.
Never removed an engine before. It looks wrong.
Taking the body with it.
Yeah, it's lifting the whole car.
Yeah. Right, just check these straps. We happy? There's 2 straps.
It's just the back. You don't want it slipping out the rope.
I don't think it's going to slip.
It's just this. So that's pretty tight. I think you need to wrap one around here and then all the way around. We got it out! We've officially removed an engine from a car!
I'm having a heart attack.
You barely done it.
Oh yeah, lifted half a ton of engine. So we finally got it out.
I've got it out, all by myself.
The hoist didn't go high enough for what we needed on 1 ton. So I suppose it needs to go on half a ton. Well, you know, live and learn. So yes, the engine's out. Now I get to
I'm cleaning the bay.
I'm cleaning the bay.
No, I'm cleaning the bay.
But the idea is clean all the bay and then
Respray it in black.
in white. So we've got the steering rack to replace. We've got the front subframe to get powder coated. Obviously, it might not be the right way to do it. It might not be the right order.
Well, no, somebody knows what they're doing when they've done that.
So that was the easy part, but it'll be quite a while before the new engine goes in. It's worth mentioning. So we got a quote to convert it from an auto to a manual, and we were quoted 800 quid to just do the box, even if we'd done the pedal box ourselves. And basically, we thought that was a bit expensive, so we've done it ourselves, or at least half of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sits around doing nothing.
You will be seeing a little demon dancing around. There's only one way, and that's the slow decay. Get a little burden, pull you down like rings of time.
I'm kind of retarded.